and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Prudent accesses government's affidavit on mining in the Supreme Court. Affidavit says allow handling and export of dumps, opposes probe by CEC, goes offensive on Claud Alvares and Congress leaders. State Pollution Control Board cancels permissions for beneficiation plant of Goa at Kudne. Decision on the backdrop of mining ban. Get Goa Lokayukt on the lines of Uttarakhand. Clause of fine anti-complainant, demands Arvind Kejriwal. Another schoolgirl molested on road at Murmugaon. Ponda witnesses another molestation case registered, again of a schoolgirl. Santosh Trophy team announced historic trophy eluding Goa. Players must focus on Premier National Tournament, says GFA Vice President Elvis Gomes. And Kalangut Association, Goa United, ABC Arambol and Kasarkot from Kerala enter semi-finals of barefoot beach soccer. Now the news in detail. Goa government will submit its affidavit on mining in the Supreme Court on Saturday. Affidavit has slammed CEC and Claud Alvares. As per the document assessed by Prudent, affidavit has appealed the court to allow handling of dumps and its exports. It also states that government will not resume mining in hurry and only after a thorough scrutinization process. Watch our exclusive on mining affidavit in the Supreme Court.
Prudent has accessed some important excerpts from the much-awaited affidavit of Goa government on mining. The affidavit to Supreme Court states, "We don't trust CEC. Government against any inquiry under CEC. Court should grant permission to export dumps. Permission needed to take over dumps. Government will act against culprits. Mining will not be resumed in haste. Mining operations only after thorough study." Government has gone offensive on Congress leaders and petitioner Claud Alvares, explaining their involvement and dubious role. Former Congress leaders in mining scam. Subhash Shirodkar, Joki Alemao named. Name of the company owned by a former minister mentioned. Claud Alvares did not reveal important information to court. At few places, Claud misinformed the court. Affidavit says that Goa government can handle this issue of mining on its own. It also states that not only the state but whole nation has felt the effects of mining ban on revenue and economy. People are distressed and government should be allowed to deal with this mining crisis. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goa State Pollution Control Board has revoked the permissions given to Goa beneficiation plant at Kudne Bicholi. Social activist from Amana, Kemlo 7th, had earlier complained to the board. Board in its 7th February order has stated that they are revoking the permission given to Goa beneficiation plant on the backdrop of mining ban imposed by the Supreme Court.
Social activist Kemlo Sawant has said that Goa has many dubious affairs apart from this beneficiation plant. Sawant has demanded inquiry into such matters by State Pollution Control Board.
The Goa beneficiation plant जो आर पैठणकरांची लीज आसल्या कारणान आनी गव्हर्मेंटाची लीज आसल्या कारणान तो जो प्लांट जो चलयता तो बेकायदेशीर प्लांट चलयता तेन्ना तेंची एनओसी ती तांकां दिला ऑपरेशन करपाक ती तुमी रिवोक करची म्हणून.
Member Secretary of Goa State Pollution Control Board Levinson Martins has confirmed that consent to operate of beneficiation plant is withdrawn.
So there were complaints before the board and the board was in the process of hearing. So in between the matter went to the court. The court directed the chairman of the Goa Pollution Control Board to decide this matter within 4 weeks. So accordingly, the chairman has passed an order, and in this order, the consent to operate issued to MS Sezagoa for their beneficiation plant has been revoked.
A senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilgar with Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Aam Aadmi Party leader and RTI activist Arvind Kejriwal has demanded Goa Lokayukta to be on the lines of Uttarakhand Lokayukta. Kejriwal interacted with Goan media through video conferencing on Friday. He has opposed the clause to fine a complainant. Meanwhile, Supreme Court senior advocate and founder leader of Aam Aadmi Party Prashant Bhushan will address a meet on Lokayukta at Menezes Braganza Hall on 10th February.
Very strong anti-corruption law, whereas the bill proposed by Mr. Bhagavat Panikar is meant to protect the corrupt people rather than to punish corrupt people. और वो कंप्लेंट फिर पाई जाती है, फॉल्स पाई जाती है, तो उसके खिलाफ 6 महीने की कैद, 1 लाख रुपए का जुर्माना। ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे गवर्नमेंट का काम केवल भ्रष्टाचार की शिकायत करने वालों के खिलाफ एक्शन लेना। It is not about that. It is for the people of Goa who to decide now what to do. As a party, we will go across, our team will go all across Goa and we will educate the people of Goa that what Goa government is trying to bring is nothing. It is an attempt to protect the corrupt people rather than to punish the corrupt people. तो हम सब गोवा में जगह-जगह जाके हमारी टीम जगह-जगह जाके लोगों को अवेयर करेगी, उसके बाद गोवा के लोगों को डिसाइड करना है कि वो क्या करना है। What should be the model? The model is given in Uttarakhand Act. Why can't government of Goa implement the Uttarakhand Act and then do the election process rather than doing the election process right now? They should implement Uttarakhand Act in Goa also, and then they will select a new locality. That we completely want Uttarakhand law to be implemented. There is a model. Uttarakhand government has already considered it. Their law department, admin department, all the departments have vetted that law. It is in accordance with the Constitution of India. Therefore, we strongly demand that Goa government should implement Uttarakhand Act. After the people of Goa will think that Mr. Bhagavat Panikar is very soft on corruption and he is trying to protect corrupt people in Goa.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.